If your shop is struggling to keep up with production, you need a Waterjet Shuttle system. JetEdge's high rail gantry system with shuttle is the perfect solution for high volume shops. It allows you to cut more parts faster, saving you time and money. With a shuttle, you can keep cutting parts as you unload them, so you never have to stop cutting to load material. The system can be equipped with up to 12 cutting heads to dramatically increase productivity. It's available in a wide range of table sizes, from 4x4 to 24x14. And our spreader bar allows you to expand your cutting area beyond the table, so you can cut large sheets. You can also add air drills to pre-drill sensitive material. JetEdge Waterjets can cut virtually any material, from cardboard, foam, rubber, as well as exotic materials like Inconel, Kevlar, and carbon fiber. This particular Waterjet is using water only to cut soft materials. You can easily add abrasive to cut any material. JetEdge's industrial PC controller gives operators complete control of their machine. It's very easy to operate, and unlike many competitors' systems, has an open architecture design. We give operators the flexibility to edit their G&M code. Waterjet has many advantages over other cutting methods. It cuts without heat or flames and leaves a very clean edge, eliminating the need for secondary finishing. You can tightly nest parts, so you don't waste any material. The high rail gantry leads the industry in precision and accuracy. It can hold a thou accuracy and repeatability. What makes JetEdge Waterjet system so precise and accurate is we use world-class components. Rexroth motors and drives, THK linear weighs and bearings, Rockford high-precision ball screws. We use a blower motor that positively charges the air inside the channels, eliminating dust or debris from building on the ball screw. We work very closely with our customers to deliver the best machines for their application and budget. We'll run test cuts to determine the appropriate setup and are willing to develop custom solutions. At JetEdge, our goal is to help our customers succeed.